What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. And if you've been having trouble with overheating on your M2 Max, M3 Max, M4 Max, even on your MacBook Pros or iMacs, you might want to look into Max fan control. Now, it's kind of a play on words too, because it does let you set your fans to max speed, which is going to keep it really, really cool. Now, the first thing you're going to notice when you use this is, wow, Macs are actually really loud. The fans in there are very, very powerful, but they're tuned to go a little slower, so it's not very audible. This is going to let you tune it yourself, so you can adjust the fan curves and really set it however you'd like, when you'd like, because it sits right on the top of the taskbar. And actually, I'm just kind of talking a bunch. Let me show you what it can do, and you can see for yourself. So all we're going to do is head over to max-fan-control.macupdate.com, hashtag not a sponsor, but they just make great software and I've been using them for a very long time. So let's go ahead and download this and open up the zip folder, and you'll see that we have Max Fan Control here. We just want to drag that into our applications folder, and we're going to go ahead and accept that. And now we're going to look for it in our applications folder. So we'll see Max Fan Control. If we double click on that and choose open, you'll see that now we have not only this interface, but we have a smaller one up here that we can set our presets whenever we like. So if we're gonna play a game, we have headphones on, we don't care how loud it is, set it on full blast, make sure it's nice and cool and it runs really smoothly, right? And then when you get back to work, set it to automatic and you're good to go. That's actually how I use it without even any other presets. However, if you want to set a preset, all you need to do is head over here and go to custom, and you can choose either a constant RPM value, and you can test it around and see how fast or how loud it is after hitting OK, or you can choose a sensor based value and choose what you'd like the fan to base its speed on. So you can say, all right, so I want to base it on my GPU cluster, so I'm going to choose GPU cluster, and then we can choose what temperature the fan speed starts to increase from and the maximum temperature it will go to. So pretty cool functionality there, but me personally, I actually like to just find a sweet spot, maybe around 4,500, that will not be too loud for my taste, while still keeping it a lot cooler than the default settings, because the default settings I think are like under 2,000. It's like 19 or something like that. So, or actually I could show you right now, we're on automatic and we're at 1,700. So that is very, very slow. Moving up from 1,700 to even 3,000, that's almost double the speed of the fan, and you're definitely going to get some better cooling off of that. So yeah, definitely try it out, and hopefully this helps you out. Hope you have a good one. Peace.
To games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,